Last one, guys. More balloons. We're getting tangled up though. Got connected. Whoa. I think that's high enough for now. No, should we play a little more? Oh, 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 there goes this string. There it goes, guys. Put this string in on. Oh no, it's gonna get hit in the tree. Where the heck did it go? Where are they, guys? They're gone. They disappeared. You guys see them anywhere? Wow, they're gone. They just disappeared. Probably went that way. Let me get through here, guys. Damn, these weeds. You guys see balloons anywhere? Oh, I can't believe they took off. It actually fell out of my hand, guys. Hopefully we caught that. I don't see balloons anywhere, do you? Shoot. I meant to keep them for a little while, guys. Yeah, they're gone. They're gone, guys. With a whole spool of string. What are we gonna do? Really heavy winds, guys, so I think they're gone forever. Whew, they went that way. Maybe heading out to New York. New York or Alaska. I'm gonna fly over New York State probably. Okay, guys. Found a mega balloon, a huge balloon. Hopefully there's no holes. Found this while scrapping one day, I believe. Found it with a whole bunch of other stuff at Walmart. We're gonna try to blow this sucker up. Empty this helium tank. I hope. So I'm gonna have to put you over here. Kind of see what's going on a little bit there. We're gonna blow this sucker up. Misses. Hopefully it goes big. I don't know, guys. How big? I have no idea. But I think it's actually handle a lot more helium. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me check it. Let me check it. Shoot. Tank's getting low for sure. It's gonna get tight, I think. Okay guys, here's the balloon. Oh, let me grab it. I let me grab this balloon, guys. Oh shoot, shoot. Oh, where's it going, guys? Oh, 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 come on, come on. Wow, it's just gonna stay there. That has helium in it, guys. That's crazy. It's just gonna stay there. Are you kidding me? Well, we can play with it, right? Did it, guys. Let's get some more. Get hit by somebody shooting over there. A fly, guys. It looks like it wants to fly. Oh, he says, should we let it go? I don't know. We'll try to catch it. We'll try to catch it, guys. Oh, yeah, it wants to go, guys. Should we let it go? What do you think? Oh, oh. Oh, it's going, guys. It's taking off. Are you kidding me? So the next... Oh, where's it going? That's the way the other ones went. You see it? It's going out. There it goes. Oh. Oh, it's going, guys. It's taking off. Are you kidding me? So the next... Oh, where's it going? That's the way the other one... There it goes, guys. Turning towards Alaska. Oh my goodness. Smash that like button if you like that one. And I don't think we'll get that one back, guys. It's gone. So there you have it, guys. We still got air in that tank yet, guys. Isn't that crazy? Went through a bin, found that big balloon. This thing's it's still got weight to it, guys. It's still got weight to it. I don't know. Might have to head in now. I don't know where that balloon's gonna go, guys, but man, it took off that way. Same way as the 11 or 12 balloons we had hanging here. Whew, shoo, shot right out. Same thing. That was crazy. I didn't know if it was really gonna fly. I thought it was gonna come up a little higher, and then it would start to fall. And it could have started to fall somewhere, but I think that's going, guys. That's out of here. That was a big balloon. I wish I could see it go straight up, but it's too windy. We'll get more. We'll get more balloons, guys. Anything left? Oh, that's weak now, guys.